Namaste and welcome to today's yoga session. Before we begin, we must remind ourselves, I inhale joy and exhale love. And let's begin. Standing with your feet together and arms by your side, gently bring your palms together in front of your chest and close your eyes. Breathe in and out. I inhale joy and exhale love. Inhale and feel the side ribs expand. Exhale and feel them contract. Come to the shorter edge of the mat. Interlace your fingers behind your back, palms facing inward. Think about hugging the shoulder blades together and pressing the fingertips, lifting your heart as you inhale, exhale and folding in from the base of your spine. Coming down, bringing your head toward your knee as close as possible and extending the palms forward. Inhale up with the flat back, lifting your chest, exhale and fold. Dropping your head down, lift it in, chest and arch your back. Exhale, taking your chest closer to the thigh. Inhale and lift, feeling your shoulders back. Exhale and feel the stretch at your hamstrings. Inhale and lift up, keeping the back flat, lifting the chest, and exhale. Release your palms, placing next to your hips. Now slowly make your way back to the center of the mat. Gently bringing your palms together in front of your chest, interlocking your fingers with your palms pressing and elbows parallel to the floor. We'll begin with spinal twist. As you exhale, turn to your left, overlooking your right shoulder. Inhale to the center. Exhale and twist to the left. Inhale, come in back center. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, back center. Exhale and twist your spine completely. Inhale, center and push the right shoulder back. Inhale and center, pushing the left shoulder back, twisting deep. Inhale, center and exhale, twist, feeling the stretch in your spine and abdomen. Inhale, center. As you twist, feel the back muscles open up and your spinal discs getting rehydrated. Feel the lengthening of your spine, realigning your spinal cord as you twist. Making your way to the shorter edge of your mat, bring your feet together. As you inhale, take your arms up and lower your hips down into Utkatasana. As you exhale, come down, bending from the base of your spine, knees still bend, hold your shin. Inhale and come up, arms extended. Exhale, going down. Straight knees. Inhale, come up. Knees bent. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale and up. Exhale, down. Inhale and up. Knees bent. Exhale and hold your shins. Fold forward. Inhale up. And exhale, straighten your knees. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Bend your knees. Inhale, lift your torso up. Exhale and hug your shins. Inhale, lift your arms up and exhale, straighten your knees, fold forward. Inhale, knees bend and arms up. Exhale and hug your shins. Feel the thighs warming up along with your hips and back. Feel the hamstrings open up as you fold with straight knees. And feel your shoulders opening up as you lift your arms up. Your abdominal organs are massaged and your heart rate has increased. Making your way back to the center of the mat. Wonderful! You did great. Inhale, step out in Tadasana variation, straightening your arms and knees. Exhale, bend your knees and hug your shin, chest to thigh. Inhale, step to the left again, Tadasana variation. Exhale, bend your knees, hips down. And really feel your heart rate increasing now your body warming up, your muscles becoming loose and supple. Inhale to the left, Tadasana variation. Exhale, bend your knees. Inhale to the right, Tadasana variation. Exhale, bend your knees. Hug your shins, chest to thigh. Inhale, extend your arms up. Exhale, fold. Gently stretching your hamstrings here and feeling the opening up of your shoulders here, your glutes, your calf muscles. And now, make your way to the shorter edge of the mat. Great job! Inhale. Join your palms over your head, keeping the elbows straight. Exhale and bend your elbow, taking your palms in front of you. Inhale, bend your knees, placing your palms over your head. Make sure your heels are in line with your knees. Knees are not crossing the toes. Exhale, straighten your knees, palms next to the chest. Bend your knees, hips down, arms up, and straighten your knees. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale and Tadasana. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, straighten your knees. Inhale, lower your hips. Exhale and straighten your knees. Inhale, take your arms over. Exhale and knees straight. Let your palms join in front of your chest. Get your breath back. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Now inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, fold from the base of your hips. Bend your knees. Double check if your ankle is aligned with your knees and palms are close to the tippy toes. As you exhale, straighten your knees and lift your heels up. Inhale, bend your knees and take your hips down. Straighten your knees and lift your heels up and bend. Straighten and bend. Straighten, lift your heels up and bend your knees. Lift it up and knees bend, heels down. Now place your palms firmly on the mat. To step a jump back into Chaturanga, exhale. Inhale, Urdhva Mukh. Exhale and Adho Mukh Svanasana. Tucking your toes, pressing your heels, chest to thighs. Keep pressing your chest towards your thighs and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. And from here, bend your knees, placing them down on the mat. Place your palms firmly, lifting your knees up. And lift your hips, taking your chest towards your thigh. Bend your knees and take your hips down. Inhale, exhale, lift the knee up. Inhale, knees down. Exhale, lift your hips up. Inhale down. Exhale 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 up. And stay here for a few breaths. Keeping the knee hovering above the mat, engaging your core, contracting your shoulder. Try to drop the chin down without any wrinkles behind the neck. And press your chest towards your thigh. Sitting on your heel, elongate your spine. From here, coming to all fours, placing your knees down, arms in line with shoulder. Now lift your torso up, placing your palms behind, pushing the pelvic forward, keeping the elbow close to each other into Ustrasana. Lift the heart up, chin lifted. And as you exhale, drop your palms down, coming on all fours again. Lifting your knees up as you tuck, exhale, and lift your hips up as you bend your knees and hips down. Exhale up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale down, up and 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 down, and stay here for a couple of breaths. Engaging your core with the knee hover above the mat. Then sit back on your heels, extending your palms, elongating your spine. Dropping your head down, keeping the knees apart, engaging the core, making your way to Chaturanga. Exhale, inhale, Urdhva Mukh. Exhale, tuck your toes, press your heels into Adho Mukh. And stay here. Push your heels down, press your palms evenly, and step forward into halfway lift. Exhale to fold, knees bend, and lift your heels up. To straighten your knees, bend your knees, heels down, lift up and down. Inhale, exhale, lift your heels up, put your knees down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and from here, lift your torso up, come up all the way, and bending your knees, lifting your palms up into Utkatasana. Making sure your knees are not crossing the toes. And straighten your knees, palms to chest. Bend your knees, hips down. Straighten your knees. Inhale, hips down. Exhale, straight. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. And stay here for a couple of breaths. From here, we will make our way back to seated position. Legs facing the shorter edge of the mat. Just take a couple of moments to stay here. Grounding yourself. Now placing palms next to your hips, bend your knees and take your heels closer to the hips, lifting legs up, taking your palms next to your knees. Keep your core engaged, chest lifted and legs straight. This will help strengthen your spine and hip flexor, improve the balance and digestion. Place your feet down and as you exhale, fold forward, taking your chest towards the thigh. Look towards the toes. Couple of breaths here. And from here again, place your palms next to your hips and lift your legs up. Bend your right knee, take it towards your chest and straight. Bend the left knee and straight. Bend the right knee, folding in and straighten. Bend the left knee and straight. And continue this for a couple of more rounds. Keep the core engaged. Loose your quadriceps to fold in. Keep that chest lifted. And continue for a few more rounds. You're doing great. You can keep a soft bend in your knees. If you can't straighten your knee all the way to Navasana, bending your knees also helps to straighten your spine. Lifting your chest and coming into a proper alignment without hurting your spine. Navasana is very beneficial for stimulating your kidneys, thyroid, and your core. It helps you release stress and improves digestion. It strengthens the abdomen, hip flexor, and spine. You're doing great. Keep going. Keep that core engaged. And release. Getting ready for Navasana variation. Extend your right arm out, bringing the fingertips onto the mat. Your left arm in front of you with the fingers resting. As you exhale, lift your leg up and hold over here for 5 seconds. Lift up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now 10 pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And gently bring your legs down. And now, as you inhale, come back to the sitting position. Remember, it's an active session. Keep your energies high. Keep your elbows on the ground with your arms extending in front of them. And as you inhale, come up, hold your body in one straight line, coming into Dandasana variation. Breathe and feel the core muscle strengthening. Keep that core engaged. Don't drop your hips down. Now gently place your knee down. And gently as you exhale, coming down once again, lying down left side. Left arm extended, fingers on the ground. Lift up both of the legs. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now, make your way to lying down on your back, lengthening the lower back, extending your legs. Now let's prepare our body for reverse pigeon. Place your left ankle on your right thigh. Bend your right knee and hug your right shin. Taking your head towards the knee, as you exhale, hold for 5, 4, 3, keep breathing, 2, and release. Now, take your knees towards the right side as you exhale. Press your left knee with your right palm. Look towards the left. Back to center. Push the knee towards the left as you exhale. Looking towards the right. Coming back to center. And release. Repeating the same on the left side. Place your right ankle on your left thigh and hug your shin, taking your head towards the knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now take your right knee towards the right side, looking towards left, pressing the right knee down. Inhale center and exhale, knee towards the left. Looking towards right, inhale, bring the knee to the center, exhale and release. Just take a few deep breaths in and out. Coming towards the end of the session, feeling the prana, the energy in your body. Get your legs together, lock your fingers and give yourself a nice stretch from both ends. Stretch it out and quickly release. Turn towards the right side, taking support and slowly sitting up in any cross-legged position. Keeping your spine erect, we'll move now to Bhastrika Pranayam. Inhale, raise your arms up. Extend, exhale and forcefully breathe out of your nose. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and forcefully exhale. Release your palms in Chin Mudra, close your eyes and feel the effect of today's pranayam and practice on your mind and body. Feeling the prana moving, re-energizing each and every cell of your body. Now make your way down to Shavasana. Heels apart, palms facing the sky, shoulders away from ears. Ensure your sacrum is on mat. Allow your whole body to become heavy, getting pulled by the gravity into the floor. As the body relaxes, feel the whole body rising and falling with each breath. Release all control and let your body move deeper and deeper into the state of total relaxation. Remember the positive affirmation we began with. I inhale joy and exhale love. And we'll see you in the next session.